If a, b, c are non-zero and 14 raised to a is equal to 36 raised to b is equal to 84 raised to c, then 6b into bracket 1 upon c minus 1 upon a is equal to dash. It is a theta type of question, that means type in the answer. Now let's solve this question. We are going to use these simple properties of log to solve this question. First assumption which we would require to do is we'll equate all these three with equal to k. Hence, we will get here 14 raised to a is equal to k. Now taking log on both sides, we will get here a log 14 is equal to log k by using this property. Now we want here 1 upon a. So we can get here 1 upon a is equal to log of 14 upon log of k. Similarly, as we want here 1 upon c, we can have here 1 upon c is equal to log of 84 upon log of k. Now we want here only b. B will be nothing but log of k upon log of 36. Now let's try to solve it further. So substituting all these values in this given equation, we have here 6b, okay, which we can write it down as 6 into bracket log of k upon log of 36 into bracket 1 upon c is log of 84 upon log of k minus log of 14 upon log of k. Now, as we can see here, log of 84 minus log of 14 and the denominator log of k is same. We can directly subtract the numerator, and by using the inverse of this property, we can do log of 84 upon 14, that is log of 6. So here, and the denominator, so let's simplify, 6 log k upon, now log of 36 I can write it down as 2 log 6 as well, multiplied by log of k, and the numerator becomes log of 6 because we have here 84 upon 14, which is equal to 6. Now we can cancel out log k, log 6. Hence, the answer for this question is 3. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA exams. Please subscribe to the channel to get simple solutions for questions appearing in these exams.